How many sets of RPF1s is too many? I'm asking for a friend. It's me. I am friend. Got a great deal on another set of RPF1s. These are little ones. They're 17 by 7s. So I think I'm gonna put them somewhere that's not the FRS. You'll see. Really good deal. They are 17 by 7 plus 42s, a set of 4 in black, and they come with center caps and Hankook RS3 tires, all for like 400 bucks. So, I mean, I couldn't say no to that. That's a wicked good deal. I could use them for maybe dailies on the FRS, or maybe we'll try them on the Prius. We'll see how they look. But I'm headed now to go pick them up. So let's see what we got. We got them! I don't know why, but we got another set of RPF1s. Why? Why? I have a problem. And the solution is not more RPF1s. Anywho, let's bring these bitches home and clean them up. Okay, so they're on the Prius. They feel good. There's no rubbing. The car definitely feels heavy. So I think I'm gonna have to scrap these RS3s and go with something a little narrower. But she feels good. Maybe I'll rip it at a Porsche Club event and see how she does on the RS3s. So make sure you like the video. That's very important. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I got a lot of fun stuff coming. If you like my shades, there's a link in the description to get yourself a pair of blenders with 16% off if you use my code. So why wouldn't you? That's kind of it. Let's do some more race car stuff, I guess.